the break room. I'm James Cebulski. About to drop the puck. This is what we look forward to, the playoffs, and it's finally here, Ray.
Best time of the year, James. Every player looks forward to this, and now they're just moments away from playing in the playoffs.
Both these teams look ready to go, as does the official. Let's bring it on. This is what you play for. Moments like this, you can feel the energy in this building, and we are underway. Pulverizing hit. He got all of that one.
That's going to feel tomorrow like he was in a car crash today.
That was a 9 on the Richter scale. And they'll go the other way with it. Quick feed to Bergeron. Now a quick pass to McAvoy. Puck scooped up by Pasternak. Made the stop on that play.
Rantan's helping out everybody here. The defense doesn't have to worry about...
It's in! It goes off the post and into the net!
I've always thought they should be able to fix the goalpost so every puck that hits the post somehow ends up in the net.
Spoken like a true goal scorer.
What the heck with the goalies? They got enough equipment on. So many ebbs and flows to a playoff series. It's kind of nice to get the first goal. Give your team the upper foot here early on.
Carolina's home fans are back right on their feet again.
Man, they just sat down. Now get back up. Everybody cheer, sit back down, and maybe they can do it again.
Aho's won the draw. Nice pass. Aho's got it in the offensive zone. Scores!
They score back-to-back goals. They stay aggressive after getting the first one. They tack another one on here. He's like a one-man distribution center. Get open, and it's right on your tape.
Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. The Hurricanes have recently taken a 2-goal lead. They'd love to build on it. And now it's grabbed by Grzelcyk. Takes a shot. Gets in front of it. Slavin's lugging the puck. Now into the offensive zone from the right side. Oh, fantastic save by Ullmark. Carolina's gained possession along the boards. Halla's got the puck along the wing. The Hurricanes take possession in the neutral zone. Oh, what a great save by Ullmark. And he'll take a moment to regroup back at center. Play whistle dead because of an offside.
Hey, we get a look on the highlight here. That's a really nice blocker stop, but what a scoring chance. In good position, just beaten by the goalie.
Inching closer to the midway mark of this period. The Hurricanes are currently sitting in the driver's seat, leading 2-0. Couldn't connect, although not exactly an ideal pass to begin with. There's the whistle from the linesman calling an offside. Some last-second communication before both teams get ready to drop the puck here. And play resumes as the puck is dropped. Carolina's across the blue line. And they won't connect on that one. Boston's got the puck in their own end. Takes a shot. Wow. He scores! The former Hart Trophy winner, Taylor Hall.
Oh, he's going to stop that. He's going to have to stay up on the crease a little bit more. He got deep in the net and beaten pretty cleanly.
Boston's cut that lead to 1 as they get back to center ice.
They must look at this game completely different, James. They should, because now with just half of this first period left, there's lots of time. You only trail by 1.
Moves inside. Decides to think about it. Oh, and it stays out. He got a piece of that one. Oh, and it's another save on the play. The Bruins get a hold of the puck along the boards. Moves it to Pasternak. And that's broken up. From the defensive zone, they move the puck around. And that's picked off. Svechnikov's going to play it against the half wall. No room for that one to get through. Right up the gut into the attacking zone. Carolina's got the puck. Through the open ice, they're picking up steam. Here he is in close. Denies him in close.
Oh, he had to get up tight to the puck. In close, he takes away any room.
Up along the wing. Broken up with the stick in the defensive end. Battle along the boards. Scooped up along the wall by Pasternak. He scores! Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't imagine they thought this was even possible. They played so poorly early in the game. They've worked their way all the way back to tie the score.
He made a great, accurate pass and picks up the assist thanks to his tape-to-tape superstar ability. His teammates just love when he distributes the puck like that, guys.
Puck picked up by Riley. Nearing the final 60 seconds here of this first period. Lets it fly. Gets a glove on it. Taken by Stahl. And that was read perfectly. What a play by Hall. Glove save. Quick reflexes. There's the horn ending the first period. It went back and forth, and it's a close one here.
Which one of your team players has the hardest shot? Who do you think is the fastest skater? We'll answer all of the questions in our skating competition. For tickets to one of the most exciting competitions this season, check our website out or call us here at the stadium.
And while both teams get a refresher, we'll take one ourselves heading into the second period. And the official seems about ready to drop the puck on period number 2. Still tied up here as we get underway here in period number 2. One period already in the books. Ray, how have you seen this thing?
Carolina's focus going forward is going to be to hold on to the puck much better than they did in that turnover-prone first period.
The Hurricanes have it against the wall. Lets it fly. And we'll get a face-off after that save as the puck sails out of bounds.
Pasternak's on the receiving end of this huge hit. Sometimes you've got nowhere to go.
Lots of time left in this period. We got a tie game. The Bruins win it in the defensive zone. McAvoy's taking it from his own end. From the left side, takes it at center. Passes on over to Marchand. Puts it on net and makes the save.
That's a dangerous shot. That snapshot while moving your feet, the goalie's got to keep up to the speed of the player to make the save.
He was totally locked in on that play.
Good save. Positional save through traffic.
Great reach with the poke check. Carolina's looking to break out. Gains the zone from the right side. A chance! Misses a golden opportunity there. Can't find his man. Carolina's got the puck in the defensive end. Couldn't complete the pass. Handles the pass at center. He scores! Breaks the deadlock!
Really good play at the net. And now somebody's got a lead, and we'll see if they can increase it. When you get into this position, that puck's got to be off your stick in a hurry. You don't have much time to think about it.
The Hurricanes go ahead by 1. They had to work for that one.
A lot of work put in just to get yourself inching into the lead. There's still lots of time left.
And he slides it quickly to Natchez. Oh, what a denial by Olmark. Back to the blue line. Oh, an unbelievable stop by Olmark.
Good technique as the puck is over to the corner out of the way.
Takes a wrist shot, and that carries off a stick. Here's a shot. He scores! That's 2 in a row.
They got the first one, and I was really interested to see how they would respond. They kept the pressure on. Oh, man, you can feel this coming. The pressure of this forecheck, the relentless pursuit of the puck. Eventually, it's either a penalty or a goal. In this case, it's in the net, and it's on the board.
The Hurricanes now extend their lead to 2 here in the second.
And they've shortened the game down. You're inside the last half of the game, a 2-goal lead. You've had most of the possession. You're in great shape.
Carolina's looking to break out of their own end. The Bruins pick up the puck here in the neutral zone. Great defensive effort with the stick. Moves it quickly over to Stahl. With possession along the wall. Oh, and it stays out. I think he made a toe save on that one.
They work the puck into a scoring spot, get a pretty good chance on goal. They just can't find a way to finish it off.
Carolina's got the puck along the boards. Puts it on net. Shuts him down. Olmark's going to smother it to get a whistle.
Can get dangerous if nobody's in control of the puck. Hey, getting another look at that one, James, right here. Look at that save. Just a piece, just enough to keep it out of the net.
Past the midway mark of the frame, the Hurricanes now lead by 2. Lorenz is quick on the draw. The Bruins have a hold of it in the defensive zone. From center, they get into the attacking area. He looks deep to step on. Unable to reach that one. There's the whistle, icing the call. Here in the late goings of the period, we've got ourselves a 4-2 hockey game. Lorenz wins the faceoff.
Important draw to win so you're not chasing around in your zone.
Here we go, odd man rush here. To his teammate, unloads it, he scores! His first career playoff goal!
He was saying to a couple guys this morning he thought he was going to be able to score soon. Looks like he's right. I think he almost gave up on this. He can't find the puck and he just stands there. This thing beats him cleanly. He never saw it.
Carolina's offensive volcano continues to erupt here in the second period.
They look like a juggernaut. They're running into the second intermission with a large lead.
Sends a pass over. Moves the puck along the half wall. Pad save. He's on it tonight.
Olmark's fought that puck all night long. He makes a good save there, James, but it's been a long night for him, and the guys in front of him haven't been much better.
The Hurricanes gain possession. Here's a shot, and that's turned aside by Olmark. Quick pass to Lorenz. Can't connect. There's the horn ending period number 2. I'm not sure they wanted it to end.
Fans, don't forget to enter tonight for our team signed poster, which will give away before the end of tonight's game.
Third period is just around the corner, so don't even think about putting that controller down. Been a great night for hockey so far. He's Ray Ferraro. I'm James Cybulski. Let's drop the puck on this third period. Here we go. Third period set to get underway. Simply too much to not enough at this point. Ray Ferraro is back down at ice level. Ray, 40 minutes played so far. What's been your assessment of this tilt?
Carolina's focus now is just lock down this game. Comfortable lead. They've been terrific through 40 minutes. Don't give it away now.
From the left side, they enter the offensive zone. And they send it right back to him. Pesci's got it along the wing. That pass doesn't go. Carolina's got possession here in the offensive zone. Up along the wall on the right side and into the attacking area. Aho's looking to make something happen here in the corner. Puts it on net from the point. Oh, what a stop! Quick pass over to Bergeron. Puck grab by McAvoy. Receives the pass. Look out, here they come on the attack. Oh, what a save by Ranta. And things starting to ramp up a little bit now on the ice with that play. Here's a short pass to Pesci. And that one's stopped. There's the whistle as things will slow down here for a moment.
Always a good play. If you're not sure what's going on, freeze the puck. This is a really good save here. But I think what's important is the goalies and the goalie coaches love that it's not a spectacular one. That's positionally better than the shooter's shot.
And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And he makes the save on that play. Inside the offensive zone. Quick feed to Shea. Stones him in front. The Hurricanes move it ahead. Throws it on goal. And off the save, that one's redirected out of play.
That's not a very clean stop, but it turns out to be a good one. He got a lot of the puck, just enough to keep it out.
Well past the midway mark of this period, the Hurricanes have been the better squad so far tonight. They lead it 5-2. Here's a shot. Oh, there's a great stop by Ullmark. Picked up by Hall. Broken up with the stick in the defensive zone. Boston's got control of it now here in the offensive end. Trocheck's gaining momentum. Here's a shot. Scores!
You get one, you get hungry for a second one. Even if you're not a goal scorer, you get that early. Now you want to hunt for a second goal.
Makes it a double on the play.
The goaltender never picks this up. There's so many people in front of the net. But how does the puck get through all of those people without hitting a body or a stick? It is a seeing eye shot.
Carolina's lamp-lighting performance continues here with another goal in the third.
They can walk home. They have dominated this third period. They've stretched the lead out into a really comfortable margin.
And it's a quick pass to Bear. Great stop by Ullmark. And now he moves it quickly to Bear. And that's a great read to force the turnover. Carolina's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Stahl's got it against the boards. Stopped by the goaltender. And he slides it quickly to Bear. Puck scooped up by Kotkaniemi. Takes a shot. Scores! It's a Hurricanes goal!
Goalie looks like he's waving at the puck as it goes past him. Tried to make the big stop, doesn't get it.
Carolina's taken a playbook out of the Ray Ferraro School of Hockey here. Just be aggressive, goal after goal.
When you score, go get another one. You've got the other team down, go get more. Because you make yourself feel better, you build your own confidence, and you put this thing on cruise control.
The Bruins looking against the half wall. Denies that opportunity. Here he is, wristed on net. Denies him again.
So good. A couple of quick stops, keep the puck out.
Moves it to Marchand. Here he is, shot right in front. Turned that one aside.
I like how he was able to follow the puck. Good save in close.
What a save! He'll probably feel that one tomorrow. Picked up along the wall by Aho. Oh, wow! Stops him again.
Yeah, pretty good positioning here, James. He makes the two stops back-to-back.
Carolina's got possession of the puck. The Hurricanes will play it against the boards. Can't get it to go. Picked up along the boards by Shea. And that's denied by Olmark. Here's a shot. That's blocked. Scores! They came, they saw, they took advantage of the rebound and score.
Goalie burps up this rebound here. It comes right back into the shooting area, and the rebound is put away.
Centers get set as they're ready to drop the puck again. Aho's won the draw here in the open ice. Sends the pass over. Here's a chance. Big chest save as he gobbled that one up with the trapper.
Aho's distribution of the puck makes him an asset to his team, guys. He has that third eye zone ability, which means he can find his teammates with passes that are hard to complete, but if you get open, he'll put it on your stick.
There it is, final horn sounds. We are all over here with this one. 1-0, it's not do or die, but how important is that win?
Well, you feel better about yourself. You feel like you've got the leg up, which you do, and now you put so much pressure on your opponents for Game 2.
And here we go, the Storm surge. Who knows what they've got planned tonight, Razor?
I actually come to games in Carolina now and hope they win, only because I want to see the surge. This is awesome.
For Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cebulski. This series will continue on, and we will talk to you then. Good night, everybody.